Good morning, students. Myself, Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today, we are continuing with Chapter 3 of Class 12 BST, that is Business Environment. In my previous lecture, we have discussed about what is business environment, what are its features and importance. Now, today we will discuss about the dimensions of business environment. Basically, there are 5 dimensions of business environment. One is economical, second is social, third is political, fourth is legal, and fifth is technical. But I have decided that today we will discuss only 2 dimensions of business environment, that is economical and social. So, what is economical dimension of business environment? Economic environment refers to all factors and forces which directly influence the company in the economy. The economic environment consists of GDP, income level at national level, per capita income, profit earning rate, productivity, employment, industrial and monetary and fiscal policy of the government. Some of the major aspects of economic environment are high inflationary rate, decrease in interest rate, passing of GST bill, demonetization of 500 and 1000 rupee notes, banking sector reforms, changes in economic and fiscal policy of the country, economic reforms taking place in leasing and financing institution, role of private and public sector in the economy, rate of savings and investments, balance of trade and balance of payment, money supply in the economy, international debt, increase in GDP result in the increase in disposable income of the people and further increase in the demand for the product. This means that these all aspects or points are related with money. So any changes in the fiscal policy or monetary policies, passing of money bill, balance of payment, balance of trade will affect the economic environment of the country. So second is social. Social means it consists of custom and tradition of the society in which business exists. It includes the standard of living, taste, preference, trends, education level of the people living in the society where business exists. The businessman cannot overlook the component of social environment as these components may not have immediate effect on the business, but in long run the social environment has great impact on the business. Some of the common aspects of social environment are demand for a reservation in the jobs for minority and women, demand for equal status of women by paying equal wages for male and female, demand for automatic machine and luxury item in the middle class family, the social movement to improve the education level of girl child, health and fitness trends has become popular, change in quality of life, importance or place of workmen in workforce, birth and death rate and population, attitude of customer towards the innovation, lifestyle, etc., education and literacy rate, tradition, custom and habits of people. So we have discussed 2 things today. One was economic environment and other was social environment. Now dimension of business environment means all the factors, forces and institutions which have direct or indirect influence over the business transaction. The general environment is the most important dimension of the business environment. As the businessman cannot influence or change the components of general environment, rather he has to change his plans, policies, strategies according to the changes taking place in the general environment. So today we have discussed economic and social dimensions of business environment. Economic environment are associated with the money related terms, whereas social environment is associated with the societal terms. So student, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.